and become employment generators. Our objective that one, we want to train some of the students of 11th and 12th, 10th, 11th and 12th, to think creatively. We want them to think creatively and consider that on the alumni of KV Ma an entrepreneurship option. So Raju will be, we will seek our support. We want to inculcate maybe a few students, those alumni who have completed their engineering graduation or anything. If they want to completed their education, they are looking to enter the job market. I say, here's an option. Here's
small. Good morning, sir. A man outside, he wants to see you.
You know I receive parents only during the visiting hours?
Yes, sir, but he is not a parent.
Not a parent? Is he a student?
I don't think so. He has a stylish beard.
He has a stylish beard?
Yes, sir.
Not a parent and not a student. Then what is he?
He told me I should just say Chulbul Pandey.
Chulbul Pandey?
Yes, sir.
Who is this Chulbul? Okay, let it be. Call him once.
Yes, sir.
How do you do, Chulbul?
I was a student here 18 years ago and I didn't get anything from this institution. So I need my tuition fee back. Institution, a worthless certificate for me which didn't give me anything. I didn't learn anything from this institution.
What makes you tell you didn't learn anything? See, you got 35%.
Whenever a job comes to me, it goes back again. So I need a re-examination. If you don't conduct it, then I don't know what I will do. So call all the teachers.
Tell them that there is an urgent conference.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Have your seats.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have asked you to come here on ex-student has just come to see me. An individual named Chulbul Pandey.
Chulbul Pandey?
Yes, he has brought up a question which I have never encountered in my years of experience.
What is it, sir?
He wants his tuition fee back.
Tuition fee back?
Yes, that's the matter.
But why?
Because he says that he's lost his job, he's broke, he's lost everything.
Gentlemen, the case is natural. According to the law of conservation of energy, a given student will lose at any given period as much knowledge as a teacher can drill it into his head at any period like duration.
There is nothing in the history of civilization. Berbers learn nothing, forget nothing. If that is true,
No, the law of conservation of energy is true and right.
Well, the main question is whether he wants his money in simple or compound interest, because it's re-examination.
Yes, a re-examination.
Gentlemen, I must say, we lose nothing by re-examining Mr. Chulbul Pandey, because if he fails, he succeeds. Therefore, he mustn't fail. That's it.
But how?
How? Just by sticking together, and we should checkmate him and get all his incorrect answers correct, round and round.
Isn't there a chance?
Started?
Sir.
Come on, Chulbul, have your seat.
how many parts are there in the Mahabharata?
80.
It is making me to do cheat. Physics master, I will deal with him decisively. You just go. So,
9.2. I know my answer is wrong, so I'll get my tuition fee back.
According to the vector product, 9.2 is 9.2 and 9.2 gives 9 into 2, which gives you 18.
An example of a good conductor of electricity.
electricity.
Yes.
I think so.
Urination. I know my answer is wrong. No. is nothing but salt water, and salt water is a good conductor of electricity. So he has given a good example of a good conductor of electricity.
Yeah. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O. It means H2 of water is H2O. Principal sir, I consider him a good student in science.
Geography, so I know I will be failing geography and I'll get my tuition fee back.
What is the ending point of the Golden Highway which starts from Ladakh?
Ladakh? Hey, your phone is ringing. Kanyakumari! Oh! Kanyakumari! What is this Kanyakumari? Kanyakumari and Kanyakumari. I'm fed about this Kanyakumari.
Brilliant children, Kanyakumari is the right answer. You are passed in geography.
I used to get 3 out of 40 in mathematics. I know I would be fail in mathematics.
Now, basically, I'm gonna ask you two main questions. The first one is damn easy. The second one is a bit hard. So, do you know that 7 is a prime number?
Who knows? God knows.
Fine. Now, can you divide 7 into 4 parts practically? It's a 7-meter long rope. Can you divide it into 4 parts?
I will try.
All the best.
Again by 2 plus 2 equals to 4 and I had divided it, but I know my answer is wrong.
I'm so sorry, Panditji, but let me say your answer is absolutely correct. Okay, now, can you give me the list of all the calculations, I mean the money we should pay you for your refund fees?
Yes, of course, I have. Will you give my tuition fee back?
I'll see to it.
I am very eager. Take Mr. Principal. This
It's absolutely correct.
I know, now give my tuition fee back.
I'm so sorry that I didn't inform you about this earlier, but this was just saying that he's passed in mathematics too.
Chulbul Pandey's examination. In each and every subject, he has
When a next student comes and troubles the institution, let me remind all of you that our school is the temple of learning and our teachers are our ultimate gurus. Whoever enters this temple will eventually enjoy the divine music, knowledge and all the activities. Now, it's in our hands to put it in right use.
Thank you, Prasanna. Now we will be asking all the alumni to come and introduce themselves. To call the students from the batches of 61 to 70.
The school was started, we were in class 9, 10, 11. And I worked in LG Polymers as an instrumentation engineer for about 27 years. And then later on moved to Abu Dhabi as a safety engineer in the refinery. Masters in mechanical, he is now working in Sharjah as a project manager. And my elder daughter also, she is in Bombay. My son-in-law is in the Navy. I'm local and staying in Visakhapatnam since last year.
Piyush Das from 71 batch. This is Raghuram. This is Venkatesh. But she will speak. She is the star of our batch, 71 batch.
She moves amongst the stars of Bombay, the Bollywood of India.
Ok, buenas tardes, amigos, ¿cómo está? Muy bien. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're fine. I have to say this now. I have to say this to my classmates. I was on a sea of academically inclined intellectuals. You can imagine what I felt, because I could never ever, I would hide behind the chair and I would say, oh my God, the teacher's going to ask me a question and I'm going to say, no, I don't know it, sir. And that's exactly what used to happen. But I'll be very quick now. I am in my 16th year with L'Oreal in research and development in the artistic team of L'Oreal. I have two big salons.
Also, untiring efforts here. Just in a few words.
My name is S.K. Banik, but most of them know me by Ratan. At present I'm a school teacher, local. I'm a 71 batch, their classmate.
I'm Shikha Mitra now. I was Shikha Roy. And I'm from 72 batch. And a school principal now with 6,000 children in my school. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Raman Rao. I am from the 1973 batch. I am a professor of cardiology in King George Hospital, Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam. And this is for the kids. Have passion for whatever you want to achieve in life. There is time for everything in life. You see, you can read, play, enjoy yourself. But whatever you do for a minute, focus reading, focus goal achievement is going to make wonders, especially in the present day world which is globalized. You have opportunities all over the world. With these few words, thank you very much on behalf of Chandigarh Bombay. Thank you very much.
3 batch. My name is Pramila Verma. I was here from 6th to 9th class and I enjoyed my stay here in this school. I did my MSc in chemistry and I am also MPhil in chemistry. I did a small stint as a lecturer. After that I had some problems in my family, so I left the job. And now I have taught my children, both of them are in US and they are doing well. I thank this school for all that it has given to me.
And I was in this school right from the starting, that is 1966 to the 73, and settling now in Mumbai. And my children are doing well. My son is a businessman and daughter is in America. She is an IT engineer. And that's all. I was an ex-teacher.
Just a little more.
After the central school experience, I did engineering. Got into BHEL, worked there for a couple of years. Took the civil services, spent some good time there. Quit the government and now I'm with the Tatas. I work for a company called Tata Projects in Hyderabad. And it's the third alumni meet I'm attending, 2008, 10 and 12. And I think every time I come back I make new friends and new experiences. I think it's a great thing. And I believe this platform really help all the youngsters out there to really understand what it really means belonging to an alumni. Thank you for this opportunity.
Family is also here with me and I really am happy that they have come. My wife Aruna, my son Prashant, who's in 11th, and my daughter Priya, who's in college in Bangalore in hotel management, Christ University. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I am Dr. Srinivas Babu. I have done my whole of my schooling from KV Malkapuram. I did my BSc Botany from AVM College, from MBBS from Andhra Medical College, from DNB Orthopedics from Delhi Loknath Jayaprakash, and my MD Hospital Administration from Nizam's Institute, Hyderabad. Now I am Hospital Administrator in Gandhi Hospital.
I have done my MSc BEd and from here 77 batch. I am working in steel plant DAV.
Started in 1976. I am now set in Canada. That's all I want to say.
Hi everybody. My name is Harish Jetli. I passed out in 1980. I was in Indian Navy for 20 years. Now I am a seafarer. Thank you.
Hello to everybody. I am Dr. Mrs. Rita Jha. I did my schooling here, like I said, in 75, 76 and 77. Then did my graduation from the St. Joseph's College for Women in Voltaire in Vizag. Then I got married, and after marriage I completed my rest of the education, MSc, PG, B.Ed and M.Ed. Been a teacher for the last 25 years. Still very much into sports. I'm into yoga. Plus I love golfing. And thank you.
Studied here from 5th till 12th. Belong to a family of alumni actually. 3 of my siblings are also from the same school. I did my engineering unfortunately. And yeah, that time it was only either medical or engineer or useless. So I somehow managed to become an engineer and I'm working as a sales manager. Thanks.
My name is Jaspreet Kaur. I studied in the school from 1974 to 1980. And after that I was in Vizag only. I did my BSc from St. Joseph's College, Cholmadam. I did my MSc and MPhil in chemistry. And children, let me tell you, my favorite subject was mathematics. And hither or thither I am there in chemistry. And one more thing, I don't like chemistry, but still I am there in chemistry. So even if you don't like the subject, you can be through it with flying colors. And let me also tell you, in this school ko represent karne ke liye kahin bhejo, but he never sent me. That is my bad luck. So खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब, नहीं पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो नहीं this shows कि I am not in my normal self. Chemistry में कहते हैं ना, I am in the excited state.
I am running a medical business. Into 12th in the school, passed out in 1980. Joined the insurance industry. For the last 25 years, I am with the insurance industry. Presently work with the Tata, the general insurance company. I stay in Hyderabad. Thank you.
My own batchmates don't know that that's my name. I'm known popularly as Malik. I'm from the 77 batch. We were the last batch of higher secondary. I'm now a manager operations in Hindustan Petroleum in Vizag. The difference between the Malik of then and now is that then